Understanding and combating fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease, or hepatic steatosis, is often referred to as a silent threat. This condition, marked by the excessive accumulation of fat in the liver, may not show obvious symptoms in its early stages, but poses significant health risks if left untreated. In this video, we will dive into its signs, causes, and remedies. Don't forget to interact by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable health tips. Together, we can spread awareness and empower everyone to take control of their liver health. By the end, you'll understand why this seemingly invisible condition deserves immediate attention and how you can take proactive steps toward prevention and recovery. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease happens when excess fat accumulates in liver cells, impairing the organ's critical functions like detoxifying the body, aiding digestion, and regulating metabolism. This buildup can compromise liver performance, leading to inflammation, scarring, fibrosis, or severe conditions such as cirrhosis. Like, share, and subscribe to learn more about maintaining liver health. 2 primary types. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, linked to poor diet, obesity, and metabolic issues. Alcohol-related liver disease, ARLD, triggered by excessive alcohol consumption. The 8 warning signs of fatty liver disease. Recognizing these signs early can make a life-saving difference. 1. Right shoulder pain. Referred pain in the right shoulder, neck, or upper back may stem from liver congestion. Excess fat blocks bile flow, leading to swelling and irritation of nearby nerves. This discomfort often manifests subtly but can serve as a key indicator of underlying liver issues, urging timely medical attention. Case study. A 45-year-old office worker ignored persistent neck pain, assuming it was due to poor posture. After a routine checkup, an ultrasound revealed fatty liver as the culprit. 2. Abdominal fat. A protruding belly or central obesity often signals liver fat buildup. This type of fat accumulation not only impairs liver function but also serves as a key marker of metabolic health. Visceral fat, surrounding internal organs, is particularly dangerous, releasing inflammatory markers into the bloodstream and increasing risks of serious conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and hypertension. Addressing abdominal fat through diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes is critical to reducing these health risks. Insight: not all abdominal fat is visible. Even individuals with a healthy BMI can harbor hidden visceral fat. Spider veins. Elevated estrogen levels resulting from liver dysfunction weaken the structural integrity of veins, often leading to the appearance of small, web-like red marks on the skin, commonly referred to as spider veins. These marks can serve as visible indicators of underlying health issues requiring medical attention. They often appear on the legs or face and may worsen with prolonged exposure to high estrogen levels, a condition frequently linked to liver problems such as cirrhosis or fatty liver disease. Male breast tissue, gynecomastia. Hormonal imbalances can lead to estrogen-related changes, such as breast tissue development in men, known as gynecomastia. This condition can cause tenderness or swelling under the nipples, signaling potential liver-related hormonal disruptions. The liver is crucial for metabolizing estrogen, so any dysfunction in this organ can result in an overproduction of estrogen. Real-life example: a fitness enthusiast noticed tenderness and swelling in his chest. Despite regular exercise, he was diagnosed with fatty liver. A major change in his diet, including reducing alcohol intake and cutting back on processed foods, led to the reversal of his symptoms over time. Swollen right foot. Uneven swelling in the right foot or ankle, known as pitting edema, is often an indication of impaired liver circulation. The liver's inability to regulate fluid balance effectively can lead to fluid retention, especially in the lower extremities. This symptom may gradually worsen if left untreated and is a warning sign that medical intervention is necessary to prevent further complications. Chronic liver disease can lead to portal hypertension, which disrupts the normal flow of blood, leading to swelling in the feet and legs. Itchy hands and feet. Bile buildup under the skin, a result of impaired liver function, triggers the release of histamine. This causes persistent itching, particularly in the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. Itchy hands and feet can be one of the earliest signs of liver issues, such as cholestasis, a condition where bile flow is obstructed. This intense and difficult-to-relieve itching can become a daily struggle and may indicate serious liver dysfunction that needs attention. Low thyroid function. Hypothyroidism, or low thyroid function, is frequently linked to fatty liver. The liver plays a critical role in converting thyroid hormones into their active forms. When the liver is compromised, it may not be able to properly activate these hormones, leading to symptoms such as weight gain, cold intolerance, depression, and sluggish metabolism. Individuals with both liver issues and hypothyroidism may find it difficult to manage their energy levels, metabolism, and overall health. Fatigue and lethargy. Excess fat accumulation in the liver hampers its ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and antioxidants. This nutritional deficit can lead to chronic fatigue and a general feeling of lethargy. Since the liver is essential for processing and distributing nutrients throughout the body, its inability to function properly can result in diminished energy levels, leaving individuals feeling perpetually exhausted even after adequate rest. Early diagnosis and addressing the root causes of liver dysfunction are crucial in managing this symptom effectively. Root causes of fatty liver disease. Unhealthy fats. Overconsumption of omega-6, rich oils, corn, soybean, canola, triggers inflammation. Sugar overload. Sugars convert into free fatty acids, congesting the liver. Alcohol. Even moderate drinking alters liver genes, promoting fat storage. High fructose corn syrup, found in packaged foods, sodas, and condiments. This substance rapidly converts to liver fat. Medications and infections. Certain drugs or viruses can exacerbate fat accumulation. 6 proven strategies to reverse fatty liver. 1. Eliminate harmful oils. Avoid margarine, soybean oil, and processed olive oils. Instead, opt for raw coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, or cold-pressed avocado oil. Tip: homemade meals allow you to control oil quality and avoid hidden trans fats. 2. Use digestive enzymes. Supplements containing bile, pancreatin, and betaine hydrochloride improve fat digestion and liver cleansing. 3. Cut sugary and starchy foods. Replace bread, rice, and pastries with anti-inflammatory options like wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, and sulfur-rich vegetables, e.g., garlic, broccoli. Example diet plan: a breakfast of scrambled eggs with avocado, a lunch of grilled salmon and steamed spinach, and a dinner of roasted chicken with Brussels sprouts. 4. Incorporate liver-supporting herbs. Milk thistle, rich in silymarin, enhances liver cell regeneration and reduces inflammation. 5. Practice intermittent fasting. Consume meals within a 4-hour window, followed by a 20-hour fast to activate autophagy, recycling damaged cells. Personal note: intermittent fasting transformed my energy levels, helping me shed abdominal fat while improving digestion. 6. Start each day with a cleansing drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in 500 milliliters water. This tonic boosts bile production, aiding fat removal. Final takeaways: fatty liver disease is preventable and reversible with lifestyle adjustments. Early detection is crucial. Don't ignore subtle symptoms. A nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory diet is your liver's best ally. Small daily changes, like mindful eating, regular exercise, and hydration, make a big impact. Your liver is a remarkable organ capable of self-repair. By respecting its needs and making conscious choices, you not only protect your liver, but also your overall well-being. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with loved ones. Knowledge is the first step toward healing, and together, we can spread awareness about this silent yet solvable health threat.